Hi, welcome to Buster, the camper van, our ex-school bus. The tyres are looking a bit tired, so she's getting a makeover. Bigger wheels, bigger tyres. Will they fit? On the left you have the old 15-inch wheels, and on the right, from the ambulance service, we have the new 16-inch wheels. These are a bit on the tight side, so I'm going to get a longer bar. Success! I managed to crack the wheel nuts off, so now we've got to think about jacking it up. The blue jack, which comes with the vehicle, is very good. It's a 2-stage hydraulic bottle jack. That actually goes on the front of the leaf spring, which lifts the body up, and I put the red 20-ton bottle jack underneath the halfway along the leaf spring in front of the wheel, take some of the weight off of the original jack. I'm just checking the brake pads because the guy who I bought this off, he told me all the rear brakes had been completely serviced because the handbrake was sticking and all new parts have been fitted. The brake pads are 3/4 worn, so I haven't done hardly any mileage in it. I've done about 3,000 miles in it, so I'll let you draw your own conclusion on that one. Because this is a twin wheel, I need to extend the air valves so that I can pump them up without having to lay underneath the vehicle or take the wheel off. Unfortunately, it's got short valve stems in the outside tyres, so I've also got to use the extenders on them as well. You retain them with the little clips and they just bolt in. Really good idea. I'm using new shake-proof washers with old wheel nuts. I'm only going to tighten them to a medium tightness. Once all the wheels are on and it's all lowered on the ground and it's all sort of like settled, then I will tighten the wheel nuts up properly. Also, after about 50 miles, I will also retighten the wheel nuts like they tell you should do when getting new tyres. So I jacked the vehicle up, realising that the jack isn't tall enough. So I had to lower it back down, put another block in it, and then jack it up. Then realised that it still wasn't tall enough to actually get the new wheel on, because I need at least another inch. And so I had to get the original bottle jack out, which is the blue one, because that has a longer reach on it. And between the two bottle jacks, one acting as security, the other one acting to push it up. As you can see here, the tyre only just has enough clearance. I have to push it in under my foot, scrabbling the tread along the ground. Great news, it actually fitted. So as you can see here, the job is all finished with the later generation ambulance wheels, and yeah, I'm really happy. I've got better ground clearance and more tread to actually grip that lovely grass with. And here we have before and after side by side for your viewing pleasure. Thanks for watching my channel. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It's completely free.